taste curd? Yeah, we can do that.
तू खा, मैं तो नहीं खाना।
क्यों नहीं खाना?
एक चम्मच खा लूँ।
We'll try. We will try small one.
So these are the curds. ऐसे ऐसे मटकियों में है. Okay. Small ones are also there.
Yes.
छोटी-छोटी वाली।
Let's
We
see.
will go and
Such a nice place to sit.
it's also finish.
Okay. So कहते हैं इनका कर्ड बड़ी जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है, पर मुझे तो थोड़ा टेस्ट ही करना है. टेस्ट तो बनता है ना. Okay, this is the curd. Fresh curd.
No any chemical, no any here. Day by yesterday cut, today is chemical.
Okay, so yesterday they made curd, huh?
Yes.
Looks yummy. मम्मी एंड मी हम दोनों
अच्छा।
टेस्ट करेंगे कर्ड एंड हनी.
अच्छा।
या सो ये कर्ड ऐसे टेस्ट होता है.
This is I'll put
कर्ड के ऊपर हनी डाल करके. दैट वुड बी इनफ आई गेस. फर्स्ट मम्मी लेट मामा टेस्ट. खाओ मम्मी और बताओ कैसा है.
This is
Authentic. अच्छा।
this for the you know
Mixing.
which one here? Coconut tree.
ओके दिस इज अ
Okay,
कोकोनट.
leaves. Coconut
दिस इज अ
leaves.
कोकोनट ट्री लीफ. गुड.
Very nice.
फ्रेश हाँ. यू हैव
You take it.
यू टेक नो.
You take it. You take. I'll have it.
बहुत टेस्टी है. हाँ.
Good
So
for
this
the
is-
stomach.
This is honey and coconut.
Good for stomach.
Yes.
Good for which stomach? This stomach.
Gut health.
I see. So I think मैं भी दिखा दूँ. ये मेरा है कर्ड. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम कर्ड एंड हनी I'll have together. I never had curd and honey. So why not? This is a coconut leaf. स्पून बड़ा अच्छा है इसका. And nice. Pretty good. There's a fresh
Yes.
fresh
yesterday,
honey, fresh
Yesterday curd.
yesterday curd.
Curd.
Hmm.
They put the is a pot.
Okay. This is the honey. Very nice honey, yeah. Yummy.
वही की याद आ गई।
पापा जी की याद आ गई. हनी से पापा जी की याद आती है मम्मी को. Basically, this honey is palm honey made out of palm trees. Thank you so much. Lovely. We stopped and tasted curd. It was good. Thanks to Manju. We tasted curd, huh? Thank you, Manju.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Sri Lanka is famous for stones, right?
Yes.
Gemstones. Blue sapphire, basically.
Blue sapphire.
So why is blue sapphire so famous, man?
Is the I think is the we have to the more stone is the blue sapphire. Second is the promoting for the United Kingdoms.
Okay.
Then Diana, King Diana, Queen Diana's, and others Queen's family. They are using for the blue sapphire.
Okay.
They bring for the Sri Lanka.
I see.
Then that's why everybody is saying blue sapphire is good for the Sri Lanka. Yeah, natural blue sapphire.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's why blue sapphire is very famous here.
Yeah.
So, mummy, आपको you also like blue sapphire?
बेटे अकॉर्डिंग टू हिंदूज वो है ना कि कहते राशि के हिसाब से पहनना चाहिए।
हम्म,
ये लोग यूरोपियंस वगैरह ये लोग राशि वाशी तो बिलीव नहीं करते।
हाँ।
ये लोग तो पहन लेते हैं।
हाँ
अब some people are very freaky, they want, you know, according to birth, according to astrology, this, that and all कपड़े।
हम्म.
It depends on your mindset, how you want to wear it.
So it depends on your mindset. How do you want to wear it? बता गया.
If people believe in astrology, they will not, some will not wear, some will wear. That is the point. इसमें भी carats होते हैं, इतने carat की purity है, ये है, वो है. It's not cheap, it's an expensive stone, gemstone.
Yeah, gemstone is expensive, but is the lifetime is guaranteed. They given
हाँ.
it's the
उसकी
it's a
कैरेट के
lifetime.
हिसाब से कॉस्ट होती है। कल हमने इतना छोटा सा देखा था 98,000 इंडियन मनी।
90
कितना कैरेट का था कभी? 1 कैरेट और 2 कैरेट्स का था।
98,000 इंडियन मनी. मिलियंस में था वो नहीं.
हाँ 1,80,000 श्रीलंकन मनी। छोटा सा, वो इज अ वेरी स्मॉल पीस,
हाउ स्मॉल.
दिस स्मॉल, वेरी स्मॉल, 1 कैरेट।
आपके पास तो बहुत पैसा है, आप ले सकते
हाँ हाँ मेरे पास तो बहुत है बेटे।
हो. बहुत है. गुड फॉर स्टोन्स. पीपल शुड कम हियर बाय स्टोन्स. लुक एट दिस.
रूबी है।
वो क्या था?
Yes.
टेंपल.
No, this is one some cultural.
Emerald।
In India we have temple entry like that.
Mama is understanding gems in here.
Yeah. Mama has eye for expensive things
Because of
her son.
the.
My mother has eye for expensive things.
But she is broke but no money.
All women like expensive things.
Yes.
You agree, right?
Yes,
I know. That's why no woman in my life. What are you saying, mummy?
I will have coconut water as beer and you people have beer.
Yeah,
Mummy will have
one is good one.
Sugarcane juice.
Yes.
Ah, but we are
It's very
Diabetics.
good. Yeah.
we are diabetics. We my mother. We.
Actually, coconut is not diabetic.
No, it is not. But beer is okay. Huh?
No.
Beer. Mummy
Beer
can.
is also low, more of sugar.
So we will have beer.
You have beer, I will have coconut water.
Okay, we will have beer and she will have coconut water.
But I will have coconut water slowly. Not
कबीर
with
की
my-
हाँ खुशी देखो बियर के नाम पे है. कबीर हैप्पी फॉर द बियर. So why they have lion beer over here, no?
Yes, Sri Lankan brand is a lion beer.
Okay, because everything lion, huh? That's why. So other than lion beer, any other beers that you recommend? Elephant.
Not
Watermelon
yes,
कितने
let's have the
छोटे-छोटे?
Carlsberg.
Carlsberg, okay.
Carlsberg.
we have Carlsberg elephant.
In Sri Lanka, they have Carlsberg.
Okay.
Lion beer, Carlsberg, some strong is have another brand. 3-4
Okay.
brand they have, but is the lion beer is the good.
Lion beer is good. But the percentage is like 4.8%.
Yes, 4.8. Another one also have 6 point something. 8% also have.
8% beer I want to have. That would be good. Strong beer.
Yes, strong.
Kabir, tu? Which beer?
Lion.
Which percentage beer?
Strong percentage.
Strong percentage lion beer. Mummy, which percentage coconut water?
100% coconut water.
100% coconut water. Okay.
Coconut water.
You will have?
Neat coconut water.
मतलब साफ सुथरा. Yeah.
No adulteration. No mixing water, patana tamgana. Only neat coconut water.
On the rocks. Without the rocks.
Without the rocks.
I will have bottle of beer. Bottle. क्या जोक है बताओ इमेजिन क्या तो पहले हम लोग टुक टुक बुक कराने वाले थे तो पहले बिकॉज मेरा कोटा है ट्रैवलिंग का ना ड्राइव का तो मैं पहले टुक टुक बुक कराने वाला था तो इतना तो मैं टुक टुक नहीं चला पाते हैं ना इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गो इन अ टुक टुक नो so everybody is laughing on that tuk tuk imagine like we would have gone to our offices or Kabir would have gone to our office when he's back no I don't have an office so you're like वो याद आ गया मुझे अक्षय कुमार का सीन है बुलबुल से we could have not gone to Ella from Verizon or tuk tuk very far away.
Very far and very. Yes.
Thank God we did not took a tuk tuk.
And not safety also. Because big vehicle is going this sun.
Yeah. Obviously not safe also.
Not safe.
Expressway you cannot go on tuk tuk.
Cannot. Expressway, motorbike and tuk tuk not allowed.
Oh, very good choice not to take a tuk tuk then. Thank God.
क्या expressway not allowed
Expressway not allowed. Tuk tuk not allowed.
Tuk and
Bike also not allowed.
Motorbike also not allowed.
Don't take tuk tuk if you want to travel more in Sri Lanka. अगर आपको ज़्यादा घूमना है श्रीलंका में टुक टुक मत लेना थोड़ा टायरिंग हो जाएगा बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा या कॉन्टैक्ट मंजू आई विल मेक सेपरेट वीडियो ऑफ मंजू with all the details I'll mention and you can always come contact Manju. He's very good, very helpful, very friendly and he will take us to multiple places. Meanwhile check करो हम कहाँ पहुँचने वाले हैं. Yeah, we are going there.
wow
So ये है mountain area.
Now we are starting for the mountain area. This is for the we are going to
Yeah.
next mountains area.
So we are starting for the mountain area. Just about there. ये सारे राइस प्लांटेशन है यहाँ पे. राइस प्लांटेशन वो पूरा वो पहाड़ है माउंटेन एरिया पूरा एला. सो बेसिकली अब हम प्लेन से पहाड़ों की तरफ जा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ वेयर विल स्टार्ट. पहाड़ आगे जा कर के शुरू हो जाएंगे. सो एला इस पहाड़, नौरा एलिया इस पहाड़. तो चलो मज़ा आएगा. लेट्स गो.